So the area of a circle compared to its radius, okay, is going to be pi r squared. This is our equation. Now, if I were to graph this, okay, it's going to be a graph that's r versus a. So here, right, our a value, right, in front of the r squared is going to be pi, and our k value is going to be 0. So the intercept is at 0, 0, right? And if I move 1 to the right, I get pi times 1. So it's going to be pi, so somewhere here, right? So really, we have a parabola that looks like this, okay? Now, the only issue is, right, we can't really have this side, right? Nor can we have the actual point here. So we can't have this intercept, right? And that's because we can't have a circle with negative radius or a radius of 0. Because if the radius is 0, there is no area, so we don't really have a circle. Okay, so then here, right, there is no axis of symmetry, right? Because really it's going to be an empty hole here, right? And then this side, right? So then when you draw the axis where it's supposed to be, there's nothing on the left-hand side, okay? So the domain of this is that the radius must be positive, right? As long as the radius is bigger than 0, it could work. As for the range, okay, the area must also be positive, okay? We can't have 0 area, or we can't have negative area.